Hi guys, Poundland today. Before I discuss what's in front of the camera, I'll just show you a short clip of the 3 new Halloween solar rockers that Poundland are selling. I didn't buy them. I was very tempted, but I managed to resist. They're very colourful. I rather like them, but I didn't buy them. Instead of that, I bought this Spooky Projector. Projects images onto your wall. Needs 3 AA batteries. I didn't even open the box. I thought I'd wait until I got home to have a look. I wondered if it actually rotates or anything, or if it just flashes LEDs. I'm guessing it just flashes LEDs. Right, batteries. Oh, top fell off. Yeah, it looks like we just got 3 LEDs in there that probably go on and off in sequence. Maybe. Perhaps. Off. Oh yeah, there. Well, they are sort of, getting out of sequence. I know BigClive.com has done some circuits where he uses these LEDs that flash and slowly go out of sequence. So it gives you the impression of a random light show. Well, I suppose it is random. Let's try and get this back together. That's it, is it? That's a bit disappointing. I did rather hope it might have had a little electric motor in there rotating it slowly, but it doesn't. Oh well, so for £1 we've got a plastic case and 3 LEDs. I bet there's not even any circuitry involved. I bet it's just the LEDs do the work on their own. Yeah, that's it. Nothing clever at all. Well, the LEDs themselves are quite clever technology, but there's no clever circuitry there for us to play around with. So for £1 we've got an on-off switch, a battery box and 3 flashing LEDs. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? Only took us 3 minutes. I think I might pull that apart. Separate video. I'll tear this one apart because I'm in the mood for taking something apart. Do I want to put that back together? I suppose it would do us a night light for my grandchildren. I might just pop back in here when it's dark and see if we can actually video the light show. See if it's any good. That's not very good, that keeps falling off. Could have done with a couple of pennies of glue on it. Ah dear. Right, well I'll pop back in when it's dark and we'll just have a look to see what the light shows like. See what it does. I did promise I'd have a look in the dark. That's what we're getting. I'll just turn it round a bit. I'm afraid the oven is on, so there's a bit of background noise. Yeah, I mean it works, doesn't it? To be fair, by simply using 3 LEDs that are positioned in different positions or spread around a bit, then we do get different images appearing. Yeah, well, not spectacular, but let's be fair, it is working. It probably doesn't look as good on the camera as it does in real life. Yeah, I mean it's acceptable for what it is. For £1, I think that's acceptable. Obviously, if you wanted something more than that, then you'd pay more money. That's probably the best one. There was a cat somewhere, wasn't there? Oh yeah, there's the cat. Yep, I'll give that 10 out of 10 for £1.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.